Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to update drivers on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, right? So the first thing that you want to do, guys, just simply click on the Windows icon here and you want to type check and you will find check for updates. You want to click on that and you want to ensure that your computer is fully up to date. So you want to check for updates and install any Windows update that you may have, and then you want to restart your computer. Now once you're finished restarting your computer, then you want to go ahead and right click on the Windows icon, and then you want to go to Device Manager. And inside Device Manager you will find a list of all your devices, right? All of those hardwares where you will need to get drivers for, and you can expand any one of these or all of these and you'll be able to find each of those devices, right? So let's say it's the Bluetooth device, right? You want to expand that, then you want to select the Bluetooth within the list. So here's my wireless Bluetooth, right? So in order to update this, all you have to do is just right click on it and then check for updates. Then you have two options here. You can search automatically for drivers, or you can browse my computer for drivers. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to select the first option and just click search automatically, and here you can see that I already have the latest driver updated. If not, it would have just simply do the update and find the latest driver and update and install it for me, and then I would know of the latest version of the driver. Now once this is done, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and restart your computer, and that's all there is to it. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.